What's up, guys? All right, so me about to go a while ago. I say before me drive off, I want to share some information with you. Somebody just called me a while ago, and them said, "Donna, thank you very much." You know, um, sometimes you get some advice from people, and it no work. But I appreciate you think about, what me that go through, and you give me your best advice possible. So I decided to share it with you guys. All right, so years ago when I was 22, to be honest, that is exactly the time. I was 22 years old, and me go one party. Like me go work the day. I think it was like a Easter holiday, and so my kids them they gone away like for a week up on my mother, and I went to this party Friday evening. I come from work. I never have lunch. We did have lunch the day like 12 o'clock, and then we never eat anything. We go a party like about 11 o'clock in the night. I not eat anything between that because them time them did skinny, We never used to eat much. So me eat the lunch, don't eat nothing between those hours from like 12 right back up to 11, 12 o'clock. I go at the party, but because I was a very skeptic person, afraid to eat from people and all of that, even though an event I go. Me no know, me always in my head because how me raised with my grandparents and stuff. In my head, I no want the food and such and so. So me never eat. Me go there, me see them a cook and them a do soup or etc. Me never eat any food. And that's when I go drink 8 Smirnoff ice. 8, per hungry belly. And the kids them not there, so when I go home, I go sleep. I'm in the 8 o'clock bells, me still tired and I want to sleep. I feel my stomach feel away, but I ignore it. And I go back, go sleep and wake up like about almost 1 o'clock. It's when I get up that time there, my stomach can tear out. I get up and I make some tea. And them time them used to love drink tea, when it's hot, like when it a bun my tongue. So I drink the tea, and it's like the hot tea just make it worse. Cause it's like the hot go down there, The alcohol already damaged my stomach, So the hot tea go down for my stomach now, just make it worse. But now pay no mind. Me I eat and I go about my days and everything. So till me start to like months later, I start to have problems. Because I never used to drink water, that I also want a pure soda me used to drink. I used to drink soda. In time I'm thirsty, I want well cold soda. So it's like and it affect me now, but when me eat, it not bother me. So I start to go to a doctor, and doctor just eat my money and I give me medication after medication after medication. And so till so the doctor that give me medication after medication, I get a call a while ago, guys. And me just, them just not working. It's like me just spend money at doctor, fill prescription, and them just not working. So, anyways, me go a different doctor. When I find out that the doctor here now work, I start to go different doctor. And I saw over a year my stomach there I eat out and me a ball. You see when it hurt me I go down for my belly. And when me eventually find a doctor now, the doctor send me go do x-ray, and him say 2 hole in my stomach and 1 cancerous. I was 22. Him say 1 cancerous and it a bleed so bad, and if me don't be careful, you know what cancer can do to you. So it was bleeding. You see when me hear that, oh my God, me I tell you, it made me paranoid. And the doctor give me a list of things and tell me say I must ease off of spicy food. I must ease off of spicy food, and leave soda, no fry food, and so forth. And then, and give me one prescription where I have to refill that 3 times. And that prescription, I don't forget, it was 9,000 $980 something, like a little much from $10,000. I'm have to refill it 3 times. Them time them at 22, I have my kids, them me not have money. And it was hard for me to refill that medication. But me did it, you know. Anyways, me refill the medication. It really not really, it helped me now, but it don't help me to an extent. But that was the best thing me ever do. And me just cut off of the food them what the doctor tell me to do. But to say this, to say that, you see, tough crackers was one of my main food. You see, your stomach wall, you know, a weak stomach wall get weak, your stomach wall damage, you know. So the tough crackers is what help clean off the flame off of you. So no matter how much you know, like crackers and you eat it like that, just try not choke, you know. Just eat the crackers and don't drink with the crackers. Make the crackers go down by itself. It's dry now, but you know, take your time and eat the crackers to clean off your stomach wall and refreshing your stomach wall and build your stomach wall. Don't orange juice, soda, fried food, pepper, anything spicy. You just have to stay away from it. If you have ulcer, trust me, you have to stay away from fried food. Period. The cooking oil there, boy, it not good for it. So much things. May I tell you where you have to pay attention to. Alcohol, totally. Alcohol are one of the main thing what will give you that, because it gives me that. But you know, when you not eat good, that can also cause it. But and sometimes, you know, you not have no choice. But try to eat papaya. Papaya helps smooth it down. And to say this, to say that, you know, long story short, the person called me a while ago, and when them tell me, because me tell them to try to eat papaya and stay away from greasy food, spicy food, you know, everything, the soda, alcohol, stay away from them something. And them tell me, say, when me tell them, say, work. So me just share this with you guys, because you know, it might help another person out there. You just never know. Somebody maybe I go through that, and you know, the thing is, you might have go through it, but you don't even have the money for go to the doctor. You don't have the money to fill the prescription. But if you wake up with stomach problem, or you have stomach problem, meaning like you know, say you have ulcer, these are the things where you have to make sure so you stay away from, because anything, you see, when you're down here so sore, remember it not have open ears, so it cannot heal properly. Down there is moist. So you see, eating the crackers, it clean off the, you know, what you call that now? The flame off of your stomach. Clean the flame, because you know, more the flame backed up, or acid is something, or spicy something go down on it. You know, the crackers clean off the flame and help build back your stomach wall. So people say milk good for it. Me used to drink milk like wow. It never used to help. And me did go to this other doctor too. He wasn't a Jamaican, him from Cuba. He was a Cuban doctor. He say, don't drink milk. When you have ulcer, don't drink milk. It don't help. Because the milk make it be, it cruggled. Like it make a cruggle by your chest. Because down there is moist, and it give it that, you will cruggle on your chest. So you see, some doctor used to tell me drink milk, the milk cool it down. But when him tell me stop drink the milk totally, and you know, me just try to drink mostly water, stay away from the orange juice, anything with acid in. Me drink juice, you know, but like soursop juice, mix it with lemon or so, you know, not with the tin milk or what me used to drink. And then something that me try to drink my juice same way. Me drink June plum juice, and even though me squeeze a little lime in the soursop, it never used to bother me them time there, because you know, it's not a lot of lime you put in there. But just to say this, to say that, it's good to like pay attention to your body, and you know, catch it, nip it in at the bud before it excel and get wide, and you can't control it. But when the doctor tell me I have two hole in my stomach and one cancerous, me not telling lie. that did paranoid me. And as much as me love soda now, me not even drink soda. Me not have the problem no more. And them something them now say if me go drink now, like if me go drink or have a drink with my husband or so, it won't bother me like that. But you see, like if me go drink and go drink again and go drink, it will feel a little, tension. Everybody have all style now, but the thing is how your heat will eat, or it will act up based on how you eat. If you eat greasy food all the time, and me love fried food, but it don't trouble me anymore for sure. You say it not in a bad place, because I love fried dumpling and fried fritters and all of these things, but it just don't bother me anymore. So, but I still have to be mindful that, everybody have it, and we have to eat and protect it. At the end of the day, we can't get carried away and not taking care of ourselves. So, I always try to drink my tea, my little herbal tea, like my soursop leaf, my Guinean weed, and them something they're good for your body. So I try to drink my little natural stuff, and it really helped me health-wise. When I go doctor, do blood work, do tests and so forth, I'm okay. Because, I have one father there, where if I go doctor, my ears say, oh, something happened to me. Like, daddy, the doctor said this or that. Him send one bush, him dry the bush, and him we send the bush. Or, I ask my auntie Keisha for, look up that bush there for me. And, she mail it, come give me. Or somebody go down and them carry it up, come give me. I'ma drink it, and 2 tools gone. But it's so what's up leaf for one of my main tea. I drink that at night time. It's good for my nerves, my relax, sleep. Drink it sometime at morning time if I'm not going away and I'll fall asleep another day. So it's good to just be mindful and take care of your health, take care of your body, because you only have one, and you have to pay attention to the signs. And that is just my advice. I just want to share. Maybe make the video gone too long, but hopefully, if you know somebody where I got through, all start them something there, stress problem, or no can just say, listen, somebody that watched this girl one day and she say, don't eat this, don't eat that, don't. You can't just tell them. Anyway, guys, big up on yourself. I'm hope say on actually, maybe learn a thing or two from this video. Enough love, okay? Bye.